The ITIL Foundation Certificate in IT Service Management. Course Introduction. Welcome to your foundation course. This fully accredited course gives you all the information you need to successfully pass the foundation exam without having to take time away from work and study in a classroom. You will learn about the key principles and concepts of ITIL, as well as gaining an understanding of its processes and functions. Once you have completed the course, you will be ready to sit the ITIL Foundation exam. We'll provide you with more information about how to take your exam at the end of this course. In this introductory lesson, we'll go into detail about the course structure and contents. We'll also look at effective online learning and how to get the most out of all your course material. This course has 17 lessons. The lessons include Lesson 1, Introduction to ITIL. Lesson 2, Service Management and Stakeholders. Lesson 3, Functions, Roles, and Processes. Lesson 4, The Service Life Cycle. Lesson 5, Service Strategy Key Concepts. The next lessons are Lesson 6, Service Strategy Processes. Lesson 7, Service Design Key Concepts. Lessons 8 and 9, Service Design Processes. Lessons 10 and 11, Service Transition Processes. Lesson 12, Service Operation Processes. Lesson 13, Service Operation Functions. In the final 4 lessons, we'll study Lesson 14, Continual Service Improvement. Lesson 15, Roles. Lesson 16, Technology Considerations. Lesson 17, The Sample Exam. To maximize your chances of success in the foundation exam, you'll need to plan to spend at least 18 hours studying all of your course material. Effective study time should be spent using the course materials provided, including watching all the video tutorials, at least twice, completing all the exercises and online quizzes, using your study guides to maximum effect, completing your own study notes, and taking the sample practice exams that are also provided. Remember, you need to set aside quality time to review the sample exams provided as part of your course. This includes reviewing the rationale and official answer for each sample exam question. This will really help you to understand the style of the questions and what's expected of you when answering them. Most of the lessons you'll study in this course contain exercises. Exercises allow you to apply what you have learned, taking into account your own experience. Each study guide includes suggested answers for the exercises that you can compare your own answer to. If you find an exercise challenging or you'd like your output reviewed, you can send your answer to a tutor using the support links. Remember, if you have any questions during the course, you can contact your ITIL qualified tutor at any time. We're here to help and to support you with your studies when you need us. All the course documents are stored safely within your download area. These can be accessed, opened, saved, and printed out for your reference. Each lesson has an associated study guide that contains a summary of information covered. Study guides are a critical component of your online learning experience. These detailed documents contain all the information from each lesson and are yours to download, print off, and keep, even when your course subscription has ended. We may add extra documents to your download area, so make sure you check its contents fully. For this course, your download area will include additional sample exams if they become available, ITIL Glossary of Terms. We'll also include the course syllabus in your download area. This is a really useful resource. Review it carefully to check exactly what you need to study and why. If you see anything on the syllabus document that you don't feel familiar with, review the appropriate lesson. You can also contact a tutor before you progress to your exam. As you progress through the lessons in your course, you may see some text in italics and quotation marks. This text is drawn directly from the ITIL core volumes, so you will need to pay close attention to it. Before you begin each study period, please ensure that you are ready to learn. It sounds pretty obvious, but online learning is most effective if you are able to concentrate without being interrupted by any external distractions. Make sure you are comfortable in your study environment, well hydrated, and really focused to ensure you get the best value from your course. Unless you are a mastermind or superbrain, you'll probably find that your concentration will drop if you try and run through the whole course at once. Remember, it's not a race. You should watch, listen, read, and learn actively by leveraging the different materials provided. The feedback we've received about our courses suggests that extra time to study is one of the things you really appreciate about online learning. Make sure you take regular breaks, split your study time into manageable sections, and study as and when it best suits you. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. Lesson 1 is ready and waiting for you.